Hello darlings, my name is Nakima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the sun-kissed town of Nucia, the town also known as Sport. Today I'm going to be showing you an independent villa that is also a classic Mediterranean and a family home. It offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and is distributed on 2 floors, offering excellent living spaces with the exterior and interior, and also nestled within a beautiful backdrop of this particular town. Well, let's get the tour started, shall we? Taking you from the entrance of the outdoors, we're going to explore the gardens and the terraces and the outdoor living spaces of the home. But as you enter, you find that you're coming onto an extensive driveway that comfortably facilitates parking for 4 vehicles. But as we are in a classic Mediterranean style garden, it seems silly not to show you around. So we're going to go this way first, as the gardens and terraces do surround the property. You find that you have pathways with areas that house mature trees, plants, local and exotic. You find that it's really nice in the sense that it gives you this natural border of privacy, but we're in a very quiet area. Since I've been here, I've heard nobody, which is great. This area here has been dedicated to what is a fruit tree garden, and as you can see, there is a possibility to add even more should you wish. But what I really like is that even when you're coming to the home, you find that it is being surrounded by lots of areas where the family can enjoy being outdoors, whether it be roofed and shaded or whether they're wanting to grab the sun. So as you can see, for example, this way, this is an area where you have your barbecue, and also where the family do sometimes like to dine on the lower level, which we will explore in a little while. Taking you up the stairs onto the main terrace, however, this is the main area where you will find you can sun lounge, you can play with the family, you can entertain with your guests and your loved ones. It gives you a very extensive terrace that does have with it a rather sizable swimming pool, giving you 12 by 8 meters. This is a swimming pool that you call really for the family. Everything, including the kitchen sink, could jump in this one. But what is great as well is that you find that it does again overlook even more fruit tree areas, and it doesn't stop there. On that side you also have access to the outdoor shower, and this stairwell gives you direct access to the living and dining spaces. So let's say, for example, you wanted to again dine, eat, relax and enjoy the climate but not be in the midst of the sun. It's a great sheltered and roofed area that they can enjoy. Taking you, however, around this way, I have to show you some more. And so as we come along on this route, you will find that it's ever so charming, as they have cultivated a very well-established fish pond full of fish and very beautiful, with this gorgeous backdrop of water lilies that they are just there bobbing on top of the water. Interestingly, the house actually also does come rather well equipped, in the sense that you do actually have a water deposit system that takes the water, and then they also have a filtration system so they can use that water for whatever the home needs it for. The water deposit area is actually located within this actual physical part of the home, and that actually comes in really handy. I'm just going to come around the tree. You're coming with me. And then it brings you back to the driveway and also the entrance to the home. Coming up the stairs to the main entrance of the home, this is a quirky little stairwell offering you a very classic Mediterranean design and incorporating natural stone and also brick. It brings you to the outside entry porch, which is shaded, and also gives you a marble floor entrance that you will feel continues as you enter the home. So as I come in through the front door, you are coming into a warm, balanced and rather earthy toned living space. And this entry hall actually gives you 15 square meters, so you do get a real feel of openness as you do enter the home. It's really nice in the sense that from the entry hall it leads you directly towards the open living room, dining room space. This area altogether offers you 58 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. It comprises of a space that has been adapted to become your living room and your dining room combined, and giving you a lovely sense of being in the central part of the home. Here in the living room area you have a functioning fireplace, and you also find that it overlooks two large patio doors that slide out and give you integration with the outdoor terraces as well as access to the swimming pool. You will find that the actual space as well is fit with quite a few modern specifications for comfort day to day, in the sense that you have anti-glare double glazed windows and you also have hot and cold air conditioning. That being said, it sweeps around really beautifully over to this side where you find the dining room area. Here you have a dining table that is set to dine 6, but the family decided to go with this type of size. You could actually go bigger should you want it. Now the actual interior design is such that you do technically have a separate kitchen, but with a wide doorway like this, it does still feel like it's integrally part of the home. Coming into the kitchen, you will find that it is functional and also is spacious, again giving you access to the outdoor terrace. It comprises of your refrigerator and your freezer here, microwave and oven. You have the electric hob and extractor hood, as well as your dishwasher here, the kitchen sink overlooking window with views of the natural landscape, and plenty of cabinetry below. What I like about it is it's functional, it's easy for you to be able to store the things that you may need day to day, and also serve your family very close to the dining area. Now I'm going to take you through what is another doorway that takes you from the kitchen directly back into the entry hall where we started. But I'm now going to go along the way and take you to have a look at the bedroom quarters. So going along the marble floors, corridor, to the very end of the home on one side, I'm now taking you into the first bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright and inviting and feels like a really welcoming space. Altogether offering 16 square meters, you have your wardrobes on one side, and then you also have patio doors giving you access to the terraces on the other. Taking you out of this bedroom, I'm now going along the hall, and it takes you comfortably to the main bathroom, which actually comprises of 2 bathrooms on this level. This bathroom, as you can see, is light, bright and fully equipped. Taking you along the hall again, I'm now going into the second bedroom. This bedroom has a similar interior feel, giving you a large window on one side, and is also 11 square meters. Now as I come along the hall some more, you will find that it also has another bedroom, which is the third bedroom. This bedroom is identical to the second, and so would be ideal, let's say, for a family with children, or if you wanted to have your office space in the centre of the home. Again, it has a similar feel and offers 10 square meters. Now coming along in the hall again, I'm taking you a little bit away to the second main bathroom. And I would imagine that this is the bathroom that would pretty much also serve the primary. Spacious and also well equipped. Taking you now to the end, you'll find that this is the largest bedroom on this level and therefore is the primary. It offers 21 square meters and gives you a really nice view of not only your gardens but also the surrounding landscape around us, that we are in a beautiful part of Nucia, and also in the backdrop there in the distance you also get to see the mountains. Taking you to the lower level, which is the basement, the family have also decided to utilise the space here too, to maximise the efficiency and also the flexibility with the home. It brings you into what is an open living and dining room space. Altogether, this space offers almost 60 square metres and the ceiling height throughout the basement level is 2.1 metres. What I like as well is that in the basement you can take full advantage of natural light, as the spaces do actually have windows throughout. So taking you now from this area, which again could be like a multi-purpose area, this doorway actually leads to where you would access the garage from an interior perspective. It also gives you access to the storage rooms. They're quite spacious but a little bit disorganised, so that's why I'm not going to show you today. As we come through this doorway, it opens into the rest of the living spaces down here, which really kind of equate to a kind of self-contained apartment. Taking you now into the first bedroom on this floor, and this bedroom is light and bright. It gives you 13 square meters and is also rather equipped with what you need for a bedroom. Next to it, you also have a fully equipped bathroom that is light, bright and also rather functional. Taking you along the hall, and I'm now going into what is the kitchen and the little bit of dining space also that you have in this room. This kitchen offers 16 square meters. It does actually come with cabinetry and also electrical items that you will need for day-to-day comfort, but this appeals in the sense that it could be a kitchen for someone that's using this as an apartment, or even an additional kitchen for when you're entertaining your family on those busier days. Coming to the end of the hall now, you also have another bedroom. This bedroom offers 13 square meters and the family are currently using it for storage purposes. These rooms, however, could be adapted and personalised to your liking. It does give you an additional amount of square meters to play with within the home, and that's why it's actually quite amazing for, well, this space. Just within a few minutes of the home that we showed you, you can have access to Nucia's commercial zones, which are actually very convenient and accessible for the residents that happen to live in this town. A lot of people like this easy access to the services and amenities that they need day to day, with easy flexibility and not having to spend too much time in the car. For example, this particular one offers a supermarket like Aldi, but as you can see, it also offers other types of businesses and independent amenities as well. And next to the urbanisations of Nucia, you will find that there are a variety of commercial hubs just like this one. And what's great about it is they're all within really short distance of each other, giving them great connectivity, but also being used every day, 365 days a year, for the residents that live here. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is to be confirmed at a later date. There is no community fee and the refuse is €180 per year. This is a lovely family home, bagged with charm in the classic Mediterranean style. What I did actually appreciate was having those little rustic touches throughout the interior living space, and also immersed into the architectural design of the home with the exterior. I also quite liked that sizable swimming pool too. But in terms of the actual specifications of the home, you will find it is actually geared towards modern day comfort, offering you hot and cold air conditioning, central heating, a water filtration system for drinking water through a water deposit that is also self-sufficient. You also have aerothermic boiler, solar panels installed, a garage, a parking for 4 vehicles, and so much more. I do also think that it's one of those type of homes that you could evolve over time and make even more your own. The basement gives you plenty of potential as to how you can adapt to even further space within it, and well, the options are endless. When it comes to this particular area of La Nucia, it is very peaceful, a well-established residential area with expatriates and nationals that live side by side and live here all year round. You are just within 5 minutes drive, within proximity of all your day-to-day amenities, and even within the town of sport, you get to enjoy plenty of recreational activities too. Neighbouring towns like Altea, Alfaz del Pi, Benidorm and Valleciosa are also a very short drive away, and Alicante Elche Airport is approximately 40 minutes away in the car. So if you like this home and you'd like to know more, don't forget to check out the finer details on our website. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Every like and every subscription makes a huge amount of difference as we climb our way to 100,000 subscribers. And so in the sun, right here, steaming hot, I'm going to say to you, hasta pronto!